Hello friends. Now, to solve this expression, we use the BODMAS rule, which dictates the order of operation. First, we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Step 1 bracket. First we address the operation inside the parenthesis. So now there is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. According to this step, according to BODMAS, operations inside the brackets must be performed first to simply and the core components of the expression. So now the expression becomes 5 minus 5 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 5. Step division. Next, look for any division signs over here. This is the division part. So first we solve divide. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. According to this, division holds a higher priority than multiplication, addition or subtraction. So now the expression becomes 5 minus 5 multiplied by 10 plus 5 and multiplied by 1. So multiplication. Now perform the multiplication from left to right. Now first multiply 5 into 10. There is a first, and then 5 into 1, it will become 5. So according to this, multiplication is the next priority in the sequence after division. So now the equation becomes 5 minus 50 plus 5. Fourth step, addition. Group and solve the positive numbers. Now we add the positive 5 and other positive 5. So first 5 plus 5. This and this equals to become 10. According to this step, adding positive terms together help to clarify the final subtraction step. So now the expression becomes 10 minus 50. So now the last step, subtraction. Finally perform the subtraction and subtract 50 from 10. So now 50 is 40 and sign will be negative because larger digit has a negative sign. So now the final result is minus 40. According to this expression, by strictly following the BODMAS hierarchy, we ensure that the mathematical logic remains consistent. If we had ignored the brackets or the order of operations, we would have reached an incorrect result. So the final answer of this expression is minus 40, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.